welcome to the Pond Bank Farm Show, as I like to call it, or Pond Bank Farms if you prefer. I farm with my brother and my dad. We are just coming home from the wedding. I'll get you a bit of footage of the wedding which just happened, so we'll step back in time now. Hey guys, welcome to Pond Bank Farms. This is the beginning of this video anyway, is going to be a bit different. We're trying to get ready for a wedding and I am back filming a backhoe, and I've never ran a backhoe before, so how's it going? Well, not too bad, but it's a learning curve, no doubt about it. Now, I can't really do this one-handed, so that'll have to do. So this is the wedding rehearsal. This is Emily's sister, Katie's wedding. So we had a very large bridal party, as you can tell. And zooming in to Emily and Evelyn right there. She was the maid of honor. Absolutely gorgeous church. This is where they're having their wedding. We're doing the, what's it called, rehearsal tonight. But just gorgeous. You can see the arches. It's got, I don't even know what that is, but it's got like 3 arches. Pretty fancy. Well, we're on our way to the wedding. And it's about the ceremony is about a 40-minute drive. 40 minutes? 30 half-hour drive from the reception. So we're going to where the ceremony is going to be now and get them married.
We'll take a picture and then
It's $179.
So here is the finished product.
Actually,
It turned out very nice.
Close. But you could. So this is.
Say hi to 2,000 people there, Kevin.
Oh, you got your live streamers?
Yeah, not live, not live.
You're not live?
No.
Oh, okay. This is for the YouTube tomorrow.
Yeah.
You can put.
Kevin.
Right through the door, and then set her in the truck. Arm muscle right there. Hey, why are you doing that?
And we're back. So basically, we came out here on the way home from the wedding. I was gonna take the air seeder home, and Emily was gonna follow me with the truck because this is on the way home. Went to start it, the battery's dead. So I guess we'll have to come back in the morning and bring some booster cables. I don't know why it's dead. Good morning, guys. We're back to farming again. Dad and I already had to take a trip and we tried to boost the battery, or boost it from another battery. That didn't work, so we took the battery in to a battery place that's actually close to here, and the one cell was shot, so we had to buy a new battery. Tractor started now, as you can hear. We're gonna take this big rig home. So this morning is presenting a few issues for us. So the tractor that I was at, we have our local Deutz dealer. I think they're gonna have to come out and take a look at it. They think it could be some sensors that are gone. They're not 100% sure. They're looking into it, and I'm waiting for a call back there. Got Emily to pick me up, bring me back to the farm. Her next tractor that's not working, I'm a little out of breath. I walked half ran over here from my place. But anyway, the next tractor that isn't working is this one. Jake couldn't get it started. I'm not sure if it's a battery or what's going on. He did try boosting it, and no cigar. So I don't know. You know the saying, close but no cigar. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna try again just to make sure. If we can't get this one started, we're gonna have to put that one on, I guess. But we want to gather bales, and that is, yeah. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I should have got that on video, but we got it fired up. It started right away after I connected the booster cables, so that is great. Win of the day, but we'll take it. I'm just gonna stop it and start it here, make sure it starts before I hook everything up. Nothing. Okay, this battery's completely shot. So I think we'll boost it, and not sure what's going on. Battery must be completely shot. So we'll hook it up, I think, boost it, get it started, then we'll just keep it running until feed's mixed. I think everything should work. That's a nice thing about an old style tractor is you get it started and the battery shot, it'll still work. Okay, here's a weird stat. This is my third tractor that I've gotten in today. And if it just starts right up, that'll be the first tractor to do that. That's a little bit sad, but I'm sure it would be surprised if it didn't, but you never know, I guess. There we go. We are back in business. This has been one of the best falls we've had for with luck of planting oats after wheat and getting some green feed. We're getting a lot of feed. I think we got like 33 acres planted. And I'm not sure, we're not finished yet, but we're gonna get, I don't know, close to 130 to 150 bale, somewhere in there. We actually had 20 acres of alfalfa we cut too that Dad baled at 25%. So nothing like making hay in October, and like not the beginning of October, like we're almost in November. Crazy weather we're getting. Okay, so we are pulling the wrapper out and we got some wrapping to do. I don't know if you remember Mark from some other videos. He gathered some of the oats for us and they're sitting there ready to wrap. So shouldn't take too long, gonna get them wrapped. And then when I got them wrapped, he's gonna come back and gather the rest. So it's all working out. Before any of that, I gotta put some air in these tires. They're fine for anything that doesn't involve much weight at the front, but they don't have enough air for weight at the front. And when you know it, our New Holland actually baled up the oats. Now when it was a bit wetter, it was struggling, but as it dried up, Dad said it started working better. So doesn't handle wet crops as well, but anyway, it worked. Aaron, excuse the mess. Gotta clean that up. Still not enough. And now we're doing the other side. I have to excuse my talking. Aaron's inside getting ready to bail. He's making jokes at me through the door. He's all brave from in there. All brave tripping me from in here, Gary. What do you have to say now, Gary? You're fixing the baler. Here we go. Do you love this baler yet, Gary? The water tip's the best thing around. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna go wrap. And then I gotta run, when I get this wrapped, I got a quick run to the co-op here. And I guess we're gonna look for Clyde some toys for his birthday. Since the idea of the day has been batteries not starting and nothing starting, we're gonna check this out, make sure it starts before we take it out. Looks like there's lots of juice there. That's what I'm talking about. So this is the field we're wrapping in on the far side here. This is the hay Dad baled yesterday. We are gonna wrap it, but we're gonna wait till we get all the oats wrapped. So Mark's got the bales all put neatly for us there. And some of the wagon here. Appreciated, very much appreciated. I'm going to show you this feature on this wrapper. Most people know that have a wrapper, but it's a cool little feature that simple. So this bolt comes out, goes into there, holds the tongue out. Then this swings back like that, and then this cylinder acts as your steering for the roll. It's a very simple but useful feature. That's what I like. Simple and easy. Nothing to go wrong. Okay, let's wrap. So we got an oil leak on this tractor. We got to go up to the shop and see about tightening something up. Hopefully it's just something you tighten up. It could potentially be more, but we'll see. And we also got to put more hydraulic oil in it. Okay, so we got an oil leak right in there, I think. So I was really hoping it'd be loose, and it's not. So I'm guessing it's a seal or O-ring or something that's blown in there. It wasn't leaking like crazy. It was leaking a lot, but not enough that if I fill it up that I'm not worried about it. Okay, so it's obviously not leaking too bad. I put 4 liters in and we're topped right up already. If you can see right in there, there's our level. So I feel a bit better about that. So we got everything wrapped that was over here, and we're just pulling the wagon over now and finish that up. And we're done for now with this. Okay, that is now waiting there for Mark, who's coming any minute. And Emily's supposed to be coming to pick me up, and we gotta go to the store, the local farm store here, I guess the local co-op. See if we can't find some nice toys, or a nice toy of some sort for Clyde's birthday. So that trip took longer than we were hoping. We did get Clyde's birthday present, so we'll be giving that to him tomorrow. We're just gassing up here, gonna take this to the wrapper and fueling the tractor up at the same time. Okay, so the gas tank is under here. Right here. And look, if you look closely, see that little white bar is pretty much an empty. We spilled a bit, but what do you do? I should have really filled up at the gas tank before I started, but we're in the row now. Okay, that is full. Mark's actually unloading a load right now. And now we gotta put some wrap on here, because this ran out of wrap right when I quit. Got some right here. Okay, I gotta go grab my remote. It's actually in the tractor Mark has, because that was what I was wrapping with before. Different tractor, same job. The sun is starting to set, but we are clearing off this field. We're actually just using the back spears and the loader and just bringing it all up to this side of the field. Mark is still in the back field getting the last load of oats, and we want to wrap that before we do this. But we have it all up here, and then it won't take long once we are to that stage. Oh, there comes Mark with the last load. Looking good. Here he comes. Looks like we got some extra heifer feed there. I ran out of plastic here, but I brought some new stuff to throw on. We're gonna do that. We're gonna get the last of the oats wrapped up, which are on the wagon here. You can't see them, but trust me, they're there. Only 5 bales left or so. So we're almost done for the night. It's only 7:30, but that's all right. We'll get up early tomorrow, hopefully. Just emptying off the one roll. Okay, 40 hay bales to wrap yet, but guess what? I am quitting for the night. That should be good enough for the night. I think I can get everything done tomorrow, no problem. I'm gonna get the manure pump and stuff set up, but that, I'm afraid, is gonna have to wait to the next video, because that is gonna be it for this video. For the usual, thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed and you're a new viewer, so you can see more videos like this. Also, please go ahead and share it to any of your friends that you think would enjoy farming videos. Hit the thumbs up, and please comment if you have any questions or just want to say something, or something I'm doing is just bugging you and you gotta tell me. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you in the next one.